Presidential Communications Secretary Dave Gomez admits urgent action is needed to address issues at the People's Television Network, or PTV. These include leaking roofs and broken air cons. Gomez told Congress 3 weeks ago that the state network is in need of funding for rehabilitation. He also confirmed receiving a proposal from PTV management detailing the necessary repairs and estimated costs to fix the facility. Veteran broadcaster Mike Abe publicly lashed out on alleged corruption and unresolved wage issues on PTV affecting the employees.
Unang bisita ko pa lang sa PTV4, nakita ko na nga yung mga sinasabi niyang tumutulong mga bubungan, sirang aircon. Totoo yun. Kaya nung nag-testify ako sa Congress to present and defend our budget, mga 3 weeks ago pa, naimungkahin na natin sa Kongreso na kailangan talaga ng pondo ng PTV4 para ma-rehabilitate yung PTV4. No?